Right now, one of the biggest problems facing the drone revolution is safety. Hi, I'm Kyle O'Rourke, founder and lead engineer of North UAV. When the automotive industry first started to introduce robots to the assembly line in the 1980s, they had a real safety problem. The robots were very large and had enough strength to easily crush a factory worker. To deal with this safety issue, they came up with the idea of opposing systems. In essence, a computer watches the robot and can intervene if something goes wrong. The truth is that the failure rate of even the best UAVs is unacceptably high. There's just too many single points of failure. So for the past 6 months, we at North UAV have taken the same concept and applied it to the world of drones. We call it the Mayday. The Mayday is a super smart computer that monitors your multi-rotor's flight patterns and automatically detects if something isn't quite right. If it detects a crash, it can activate a wide range of countermeasures to protect your system. Mayday has all the features and functionality you would expect from a modern UAV safety device. Mayday is fully output programmable. Using the 2 buttons on the front, you can guide the servo head to each waypoint you want it to go to during a failure event. We've partnered with the best parachute manufacturer for small UAVs in the world, Mars Parachutes. During this Kickstarter only, you'll be able to grab one of our Mayday boards bundled with a Mars parachute system at a fantastic Kickstarter price. We really need your help to get to our goal so that we can place an order for the initial circuit board run. We've created some really unique and special rewards with software and hardware versions that will only be available to backers. We've figured out all the manufacturing and have kept almost every aspect of it in the United States. Please help fund the future of safe flight by supporting this project. From all of us at North UAV, thank you for your time and support. It means a lot.
For couples trying to conceive, women's basal body temperature is a key indicator of fertility. Basal temperature is the lowest temperature your body reaches while resting, and the differences over the course of the ovarian cycle reveal when you're most fertile. In the past, tracking your basal temperature has been a challenge. Many women find it frustrating and tiring. We wanted to make the process of tracking BBT data seamless, so we created Yono. Yono is a revolutionary patent-pending wearable thermometer. It measures and records your core body temperature while you sleep, giving your true basal temperature, meaning that the data is more accurate than any other method. Unlike underarm sensors, which can easily be affected by ambient temperature and other external factors, Yono creates an enclosed and controlled environment in the ear canal, preventing external factors from affecting the measurement. It's designed by top human factor designers with comfort in mind. Soft silicone surrounds the exterior, so the device will fit snugly in your ear without feeling invasive. Yono is left-right indifferent. You can sleep on the ear wearing Yono without feeling it. Yono doesn't transmit data during your sleep to protect you from emissions. In the morning, the data will conveniently sync with your phone, where the user-friendly Yono app will keep a running log of your ovulation calendar. You don't even need to think about it. If you were traveling, take Yono with the base station, and you don't have to worry about the battery for up to a week. The app and algorithm interprets your ovulation cycle and predicts when you're most likely to conceive. With Yono, tracking your fertility is as natural as your desire to be a mother.
Women find it very challenging to measure their basal body temperature. They have to measure it exactly the same time every day. Yono is a very convenient device. You simply place the device in your ear, you go to sleep, you wake up, and you take it out. All the data is automatically collected in the cloud for you. The Yono product has many benefits. You can not only use it to detect your basal body temperature and predict your ovulation, but you can also use it to understand your hormonal health and use it for family planning. Yono is a company that is founded by female entrepreneurs. These women know and really care about female health.
When I was trying to get pregnant a couple of years ago, I found the process very stressful. And I found collecting basal temperature data is very difficult and frustrating. So I thought about leveraging the latest, most innovative wearable technology to make the process easier and more convenient.
Take the next step towards building your family and have Yono start tracking your fertility today. You know your body with Yono.
There is so much that we know about what we drink every day. And we know even more about the food we eat. But whilst every day starts with a new breath, there is so little we know about the air we breathe. We travel, some of us a lot, to places where we don't know how the air will be. We commute to work every day. We transport our kids to school, and each time we sit in our cars breathing in bad air. Whilst at home, clean air is a must. We at Square want to give you a mobile device that protects you from bad air wherever you go. We think it's time to bring quality to your breathing. In order to perfectly purify the air, we combine some of the best existing technologies. PM 2.5, dust particles and pollen are perfectly filtered by a HEPA carbon cassette. Toxic gases, virus and bacteria are then eliminated by our German-made and patented non-thermal plasma technology. We went through a meticulous process to develop the perfect product. Titanium zinc alloy, Swiss crystal, and airplane-grade aluminium ensure this is not an ordinary air purification device, it is a Square. With such extraordinary material in place, the design needs to match. With its iconic top view, with its signature fins, and with its precise details, this Square not only has a timeless emotional design, but also a purposeful functionality. We designed the Square Mobile with you in mind. Simplistic, reduced forms and great materials. It has a true compactness that is deliberately sized so that it can fit perfectly in any car. Together with our German partners, we have engineered a complex, super small non-thermal plasma technology unit. The Square Mobile is built around purposeful and intuitive functionality to maximize efficiency and easy handling. We have even gone so far that we built our own air quality sensor and application to ensure that only the cleanest air is produced. Overall, the Square Mobile combines all the amazing capabilities needed in a device that you can take with you anywhere for fresh and clean air. So support our quest and be part of our clean air revolution. Thank you.
Hey there, my name is Daniel and these are my brothers David and Diego. We're here today to introduce a product we've been developing for the past 2 years, a groundbreaking technology that we believe will revolutionize the printed shirt industry forever. We began noticing the following problems with modern t-shirt technologies. A. Screen printed shirts will crack and peel over time. We also found them stuffy on a hot day. B. Tie-dye didn't allow us to print custom images on the shirt. C. DTG printing was too expensive and took too long to print. Also, it's limited to a canvas size. Lastly, sublimation was only possible on polyester fabrics. So we had to ask ourselves, what if it could make the magic happen with only one step to solve all of these issues? That is why we took it upon ourselves to find a solution. Introducing 100% cotton sublimation. Here at Ace Collection, we have developed a technique to bring all of the strengths of sublimation, featuring its vibrant colors and all-over printing, to our favorite kind of fabric, cotton. With the ability to deploy the entire spectrum of color, we can achieve an uncompromised look to all kinds of printed artwork. It's reimagining cotton with the ability to create lasting full-body designs that will never crack or peel, using an elegant and simple process. We started this Kickstarter project because we wanted to make this technology available to everyone, beginning with you, the Kickstarter community. After 2 years of research and development, we now need your help to successfully launch our products and services. We intend to take this technology far and realize its full potential. For starters, we've partnered up with American Apparel, so as a reward, you'll have access to their entire 100% cotton t-shirt line. As a thank you for backing us, you'll be rewarded with production-level 100% cotton sublimated shirts using one of our 4 designs or one of your own submitted artwork. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mike Szymanski and we're the CSTI team. We've dedicated our careers to bring computer science education to the students of the city of New York. Over the past 2 summers, we've brought meaningful computer science instruction to 120 students from over 40 schools.
Most of these students do not have the opportunity to pursue computer science during the school year.
We've begun to establish a community where students learn to work with each other and from each other under our guidance.
And so through this fundraising campaign, we hope to raise enough money to hold weekly hacking sessions so that we can both continue and expand this community.
Okay, so we're not really good at making videos, but we are really good at inspiring kids and teaching kids computer science. Take a look at what some of the kids said and did this with us this last summer.
At first, you would think that computer science is like really difficult and everything, but when you came in and you started learning, it would be like slow for me. For me, it was like slow at first to catch on, and then I got it after that because I kept going over it.
That's the same thing. At first, you think it's really challenging because they have like all this stereotype that's only for like geniuses kind of thing. But then once you start learning the basic, it becomes manageable to understand.
Well, one stereotype is sort of the like male thing, but there were a lot of like girls and women in this program, like maybe even more. I don't know. I thought that was cool.
It was a lot more diverse at CSTI here, and that was like, I hadn't thought of it until I came here. I was like, oh wow, everybody's into this. It's not just the people that I have been educated with. It's a much more diverse community than I expected.
Well, before I came to CSTI, I thought when you do computer science, I thought most people were working alone, and then you'd have someone group together the projects, like in the actual world. But as I went to CSTI, I realized there was more social to computer programming, and you need a lot of people skills to be able to.
I really like this program, not only because of the coding, but also because you get to express so many emotions in the program. Like you get to, there's not many programs where I can say, oh, you're coding, you're also sociable too. There's not many programs where it can be both, so interesting experience.
I was trying to learn programming through things like Code Academy and other sites like that, but the problem with sites like that is just that there's no human input, really. You don't have someone who can just be there to correct your work and just walk around. You don't have group members. You don't have any of the amazing things like TAs, stewards that we get at CSTI. You don't have anyone to help you, really. And I learned just how much you can miss by not having someone there to help teach and correct you and do things like that. And I learned how important having TAs and some kind of structured support really is.
Being in an environment where everyone wants to learn what you're learning is really, really awesome. It's really different.
With your help, we can bring great computer science education opportunities to more kids. Thanks.